Hello all. We started Adivasi series earlier. Continuation to it, I am doing a video on tribal festivals. The tribal festivals are very important. It is soul and heart of the tribal communities, where they showcase their food habits, their culture, their colors, their motifs, their art forms, their folklore, their folk dances, their folk tales. So it's a rich content. They show their composite culture. They show their colors in this particular festivals, tribal festivals. That tribal festivals, today I am going to discuss the important tribal festivals for the mains point of view as well as for the prelims point of view. The first tribal festival which I am going to discuss is Madisnana of Kodava tribal community. Madisnana of Kodava tribal community. This Kodava tribal community, they have a culture whereby what they do, the Brahmins, they eat the food on the banana leaf. After the Brahmins eat the food on the banana leaves, the leftover on the leaf, the leftover food on the leaf, they will put on the platform, and the Kodava tribal community, they will be moving, they will be scrolling on this particular banana leaf, believing that they're all sins, mainly their skin diseases. If you have any skin diseases, if their health is not good, everything will be cured. This is one of the festival with very grandeur they will be celebrating, and the tribal community name is Kodava. Where it happens is called as Karnataka, and the festival name is called as Madisnana. The second tribal festival which I am going to discuss today is Sammakka Saralamma Jatara, the very famous tribal festival in India, Asia and the world. The biggest, the largest tribal festival in the world is Medaram Sammakka Saralamma Jatara, which will be conducted in Telangana, erstwhile Warangal district. Now it is part of Mulugu district. And this particular Medaram Sammakka Saraka Jatara, who worship for this are tribal community called as Koya tribal community, and whoever worships this Medaram Sammakka Saraka Jatara or Medaram Sammakka Saralamma Jatara, they will be getting welfare, their health will be good, they believe that. And these are mother and daughter. These both are mother and daughter will be worshipped by the Koya tribal community of Warangal district. Biennial festival means for every 2 years, one time it will be happening, and the population will be somewhere around 2 crore. After the Kumbh Mela, the most of the pilgrimages attendees this particular festival. So it's a very big festival. And the third, Karma festival of Odisha. Karma festival of Odisha, what they do here? Here, the Karma festival of Odisha, which is celebrated by some of the tribal communities like Kutia Kond tribal community. So, what they do? They worship the god called as Karmananda, and they worship the goddess called as Karmasani, this both. And they have a tree called as Karma tree. The branches of the Karma tree they will be worshipping. And these branches of the Karma tree, when they worship, they believe that the Karma tree will be blessing them with grandeur, with wealth, with health, etc. etc. And the Karma festival is of Odisha people. And the next big festival is Andaman, in Andaman Islands, and the tribal community who follow this is Nicobaris. In Andaman Island, Nicobari tribal community worship or follow this particular festival, and the god they worship is Mariamma festival. Mariamma god, and the festival name is called as Mariamman Thiruvizza. Mariamman Thiruvizza. Here they worship the god, and they believe that this god will be celebrating them, or the god will be giving with lot of good health and wealth. It will be celebrated for 3 days in a very big manner of Andaman Nicobar Islands. And the next is at Durgapur in Rajasthan, there is a festival called as Baneshwar temple, Baneshwar festival, which will be celebrated by the tribal community called as Bills. Bills will be celebrating this festival in a very big grandeur way. Bills, here they will be going for hunting, they will be eating they will be killing the animals as a part of celebration, This is Baneshwar festival of Rajasthan. And the another festival is called as Boram Diyo Mahotsav of Chhattisgarh. This is followed by the tribal community called as Gond. Here they believe that the Lord Shiva will be worshipping them, the Lord Shiva will be blessing them with a very good life. Here they will be showcasing their folklores, here they will be showcasing their folk tales, here they will be showcasing their folk dance. And the festival name is called as Bormodiyo Mahotsav. We can expect in prelims match the following, or we can expect in anthropology write about the tribal festivals, or we can expect the question in general studies in GS1 write about the tribal festivals. These are the some of the very famous tribal festivals. And the next is Jharkhand tribal festival, which is Sarhul. Sarhul is a festival which is celebrated by Santals. Here they will be worshipping the Sita, and the Sita will be helping the girls, mainly the unmarried girls or the married woman. They will be worshipping the Saruhul, who is Lordess Sita, and the Sita will be worshipping the girls to get married soon or get children very soon. That is the main intention of this particular festival called as Sarhul of Jharkhand festival. And the folk dance festival of Daman and Diu tribal people, it is one of the festival in Gujarati. In Gujarat also, in Daman and Diu Union Territory also, this particular festival is followed by the Bill tribal community, and it is Daman and Diu tribal festival. In this way, I discuss the most important tribal festivals of the tribes of India. In this way, I will be coming with more tribal content which will be useful for your mains as well as prelims. Thank you one and all. Please subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.